Hi guys, this is my Yamaha Natural Sound Stereo receiver RX497. Okay, this one actually a two channel and B watt 75 to 80 watts per channel. It's good, crystal clear sound, it's smooth, it's natural sound. Okay, this is for natural sound. Then see this one RCA cable, 3 ring jack. When I connect the 3 ring jack, so that one also this one not working well. This sound distortion, one channel working, another channel not working, like this. So when I connect this cable, so this one 2 ring jack, okay, 2 ring RC jack, not properly working every channel. It's none, no hard, no hum, and no distortion. This totally work clear sound. If anybody have problem sound, so please you can change this one. Okay, connect to ring, avoid the 3 ring jack. Okay, thank you guys.